Hi, this is Mary Jacob. I am a content writer. I have 8640 hours of experience in content writing. If I talk about content writing, there are different types of content writing like blog writing, technical writing, and essay writing, and many more. And there are also lots of hurdle in this writing field. And the most common and basic problems are plagiarism, poor quality of content, and you can say that SEO issues. If there is problem, there is also a solution. If I talk about solution, I would like to say that your content must be plagiarism free. There should be not plagiarism in your content, and it should be highly SEO optimized. Because if you want to rank on Google first page, then you must know how to write SEO optimized content. It must contain high quality content, and the audience would like to read and enjoy your content. It should be managed on time and meet the deadlines. Thank you.